Right guys, how we doing? Turbo Tim here. Today brings a adventure day. I've got to go out and buy a new car. I've spotted one that I like. It's very similar to this one. This is my wife's car. The reason I'm buying a similar car to my wife is that she'll be able to drive it. She can't drive the Land Rover, so Land Rover's dead at the minute. Not that I'm not going to fix it, it's just dead and I need transport. So let's head off into Bideford and see what we can see. Right, this is the village. Local pub there. Invite to go up the church tower at some point, so missed it last time. Right, this is it guys, lovely little motor. Like I say, my wife's got one of these anyway, so that's the reason for going for this. It's a bit newer than my wife's. Yeah, I mean, there's no need for me to drive it, it's going to drive okay. Radio, it's got all the Bluetooths and all that. Air conditioning works in this one, unlike my wife. Yeah, 40,000 on the clock. Let's go for it. I know it's a lot smaller than the Land Rover, but anyway. So there we are guys, that was nice and easy. I'm in the motor trade anyway, so yeah, they're going to squeeze that through the workshop for me and I pick it up next Saturday. So bit of a, there's lots of reasons. One, my car's so unreliable. The other reason for buying that particular car is it's the same as this car basically, a little bit newer, but and the wife would be happier driving that. She doesn't like to drive mine at all. In fact, I think she's only ever driven it once and hated it. So yeah, so she's if she ever needs to use another car, if this one's off the road, then we got the option then, you know. Beforehand she's never had that option. She's had to, you know, basically been driven everywhere. So oh, cattle grid of doom. Right, so that's it guys. I'm a happy chappy. Never spent so much money in 1 week in all my life. So anyway, that's it for now guys. Ciao for now.